Pit Bull Terriers are often considered dangerous due to their strong physical strength and aggressive behavior, which can manifest itself in improper conditions of maintenance or in case of insufficient socialization in training. Doberman, a very loyal thoroughbred dog with a high level of energy and a tendency to aggressive behavior with insufficient training and socialization. Rottweiler is considered dangerous because it is a large and strong dog breed. They have strong jaws and high energy, which can lead to danger if not properly trained and socialized.